Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Yodayo character AI. So like character AI, this is website on PC, but if you want to use this website on your phone, then you can download this application Moiscap character AI and art. So they have different name. So how to use this website? So basically this is for character role play, but you can still use it, like you can generate image, video, you can post. So I'm just going to click here chat in travel. So this is the website. Okay, so now how can you use this? First of all, you can see here the character, like this is new, you can customize it here. And also if you click settings, so you can see hide category, so you can see visible drama, host type of things you want to watch. So I'm just going to choose maybe randomly this one. Okay, so now you can see here you can chat with this character. Start chatting, you can see here, click start chatting. So now you can see DeepSeek model, but you can choose different model here: Nefro, Cloudy, GLM. So there are many, you can see here there are many. Okay, I'm just choosing this one, and after that you can also choose this one. You can see basic, ultra, and you can see here the system from role play. So which type of character you want, like educational support, you can customize it here. Okay, and system prompt, so I'm just going to choose something educational. Okay, and you can choose letterbox, so you can choose it here. Actually all the things you can. Person disable, so new person not save, parameter ultra, you can see here different parameter here. And model, you can choose the model also. So I'm just going to choose, there are many model, I'm just going to choose this model is really good, LLMA, or you can see DeepSeek. Okay, and after they close this one, so you can see here. So now you can start chatting, right? So it's really cool. So actually this way you can chat it here, and you can customize your things. You can talk voice, like if you click here, then you can talk with voice. So you need to spend some uh, only spoken words will be read aloud. Okay, and then you can see here quick response. So quick response image, you can also send image here through this image. So actually this is really easy to use this software.